Tonight and all new at 11, a Tampa creation to help combat the coronavirus is now helping people across the world. Our Haley Bull is following up on 3D printed nasal swabs we first told you about at the start of the pandemic. She shows us the new research giving these swabs a big boost.
At the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic, researchers worked to fill in the gaps from shortages that came with it, including testing swabs.
We were able to use technology here in the lab to be able to create a 3D printed nasopharyngeal swab.
Quickly, the USF Health and Tampa General Hospital team moved from design.
We were able to get the data needed to be able to say this is safe
to clinical research.
So suddenly we were getting bags and bags of these test kits, thousands a week. And it's what saved us. And I think in some ways it saved the Tampa Bay area because it allowed our hospital to really keep up this high volume testing. So we first had to make sure they worked.
They partnered with places like Northwell Health in New York.
What we found was pretty amazing. They performed as well, and in some cases even better than the traditional swab. And so we are still using those. That clinical trial has now come out. It's been published in a top journal for infectious disease.
The team shared the information with other hospitals and agencies facing shortages. Since the first batch, Dr. Summer Decker says tens of millions of them are being used in more than 24 countries.
It's pretty incredible to us. We all kind of keep pinching ourselves
over this 3D printed swab, now helping here, around the world, and maybe in the future too.
It's not just a COVID thing. This is something that we can look at using long term and beyond this COVID situation.
In Tampa, Haley Bull, ABC Action News.